Hello, good day! Ito nga pala ang inyong Sir Jello at mayroon ako ulit ituturo sa inyo na math video topics. Pero bago yan, huwag niyo munang kalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel na Sir Jello para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na i-upload ko. Hello, good day! So welcome again to another topic for our math grade 9 for our fourth quarter. Let's talk about oblique triangles. So when we say oblique triangles, it does not have a right triangle or doesn't have a right angle in any of these two kinds of triangle. We have letter A, an acute triangle, and then letter B, an obtuse triangle. So that is the reason it is called oblique, since in any of the angles of both acute and obtuse, it does not contain a right angle. So an oblique triangle can be solved when any of the following set of data is known. Number 1, if you have 3 sides, 2 sides in the included angle, 3 2 angles in the included side, 4 2 angles in an opposite side, number 5 2 sides and an opposite one side, or not, an angle opposite one side. Now let's talk about included angle and included side. So when we say an included angle, it is an angle that is formed by two sides. So example here, we have angle C. So this angle is the included angle of side AC and side BC. So it can be described as this is the common angle of these two sides. It can be that way also. So let's say if you have angle B, it is the included angle of this side, side AB and side CB. Next, when we say included side, it is the side common to two angles. So for example, you have side AB, that is the included side of angle A and angle B. So say you have side BC, it is the included side of angle B and angle C. So two laws that relate the sides of a triangle with the sine or cosine of the angles. We have the law of sine and law of cosine. So these are the laws that we're going to apply in solving oblique triangles. So the reason we have to discuss first oblique triangles and describe what kind of triangles does the oblique triangle have, because we're going to use it in the law of sine and law of cosines in solving for oblique triangles. So let's start off with the law of sines. So in any triangle, the lengths of the sides are proportional to the sines of the angles measures opposite them. So let's say you have here triangle ABC with sides ABC. So angle A, the opposite side is A, side A. Angle B, the opposite side is side B. Then angle C, the opposite side is side C. So the law of sine states that this one, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Or its alternate will be sine A over A equals sine B over B equals sine C over C. So let us have our first example. So you have here triangle ABC with angle A 25 degrees, angle B 72 degrees, and side A So this is actually side A with 4. So we're going to solve for side B, which is the opposite of angle B. So since we are looking for side B, we can take the law of sine as B over sine B equals A over sine A. So this will be our proportion. So B is equal to sine 72, which is the opposite of side B. A is 4 over sine 25 degrees. So all we have to do is to cross multiply this proportion. So we have B sine 25 equals 4 sine 72. Since we are looking for B, we're going to divide both sides by sine 25 so that we can cancel sine 25. What will be remain on the left side is the missing side, which is side B. So we have 4 times sine 72. So we can type sine 72 in our calculator. So sine 72 is 0.9511. So we just round it off over sine 25 is 0.4226. So we can direct multiply it now. So 4 times 0.9511 divided by 0.4266. So B is equal to 9.0002 or 9. Okay, so we have example number 2 here. So we have triangle DEF with the opposite of angle F, which is side F, which is 6. So F is equal to 6. Then angle E is 110 degrees. The side opposite angle E is side E, which is 10. So angle F here is represented by theta. So we are obviously looking for this angle theta. So using the law of sines, we know that the law of sine here will be sine theta over the opposite of this angle, which is F, or actually sine F or sine theta over F is equal to sine E over E. So notice here that the given is 2 sides and an angle that is opposite one of the sides. So we're going to use this law of sine. Sine angle over the opposite side equals sine another angle with its opposite side. So sine theta over F, our F is 6, equals sine E. So sine 110 over E, which is 10. So again, we're going to cross multiply this proportion. So you have 10 sine theta equals 6 sine 110. Since we are looking for theta, so we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 10. Canceling 10 here, so we have sine theta equals, let us write it first, 6 sine 110 over 10. So we can actually use calculator here. So sine 110. Or actually we can directly multiply 6 by sine 110 then divide it by 10. So you have 6 times sine 110. So in the numerator we have 5.6382. So this is already rounded off, divided by 10. So that's sine theta. Then divided by 10. So sine theta is 0.5638. And then to solve for theta, what we're going to do is to use shape sine function to get the angle. Okay, so we have theta is equal to, you just press the shape function. So you have to press, let us press it first, shift sine, that becomes sine of -1 or arc sine, then press 0.5638. So shift sine, so our theta here will be 34.32 in degrees already. So 32.32 degrees, or in minute seconds, you just press the ms function, or that will be 34 degrees 19 minutes, or to the nearest multiple of 10 minutes, so that will be 20 minutes. So that is your angle theta or angle F. So that is how we solve for the law of sines. So depending on what is given, you just utilize any of the two ratios or proportions to solve for any missing side or missing angle, as long as you know what is the opposite of one another. Okay, so that will be all for now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.